Hello my dear student friends, I welcome you to this video lecture on Act 1 of All My Sons by Arthur Miller. Let's have a quick recap of the previous session. In the previous session, we understood that in the Kellar's house, Joe Kellar, his wife Kate Kellar and Chris Kellar are living a very comfortable life. Larry, their elder son, has been missing from 3 years. Kate believes Larry to be alive and is still waiting for him. Joe believes in the same for the sake of Kate's mental health, whereas Chris doesn't believe it. He tries to convince his parents about the possibility of Larry's death, but in vain. Anne has come to the Kellar's house to visit them. Kate has got anxiety over this. Kate is worried that Anne may have some grudge over Kate's family as Anne's father Steve is in jail. Chris has his own intentions about Anne. Chris wants to live a comfortable life, a happy life. He loves Anne, he wants to marry Anne, and he tells his intentions to his father. Joe is worried about Chris' intentions, or rather say Chris' decision. Joe is worried due to the reaction of Kate. Kate believes Larry to be alive and Kate wishes that Anne, being the girlfriend of Larry, should wait for Larry. So Joe is worried how Kate would react when she comes to know that Anne and Chris love each other and they want to marry. Anne all along knows about Chris' feeling for her. So when Anne and Chris are together, Anne encourages Chris to share his feelings. They were writing to each other from 2 years. So finally the long awaited proposal occurs. Chris expresses his feelings for Anne. Chris says, "I love you" to Anne. Anne reciprocates Chris's feeling and she says that she has been knowing this from 2 years and she has been waiting for Chris to propose her. They kiss each other passionately, they are very happy, and now they just have to figure out how to tell Kate. Everybody is worried about Kate's reaction. Chris shares his anguish at Anne's insistence. Chris still has something in his mind. On being asked by Anne, Chris says that it is about war. Chris says that during the war, many soldiers lost their lives. Chris survived the war, but Chris lost many of the boys in his company. Chris feels for them. Chris says that many people died in the war, but their family are forced to live a normal life. The family has to forget those. Chris has the survivor's guilt. Chris has survived the war, but he is not happy about the things. He feels bad for the soldiers who died, and he also shares that he feels he doesn't deserve his present life. He doesn't deserve the comforts. He doesn't deserve the car he is enjoying, the business he is doing, and he doesn't even deserve Anne. So Anne consoles Chris and cheers him up. She says that he deserves everything and there is a hope that after their marriage they live a very happy life. Joe interrupts the conversation to inform Anne that there is phone call by George from Colombia. George is Anne's brother. When Anne goes to answer the phone call, Chris tells Joe the news of his engagement to Anne. But Joe is preoccupied with the phone call. He is worried about George's phone call from Colombia because Steve is in jail in Colombia Nevertheless, Joe is very happy for Chris and Anne. Anne announces George's arrival. She tells that George is coming there to settle something. However, George has not told about what he wants to settle with the Kellars. Joe and Kate are in worry upon the news of sudden arrival of George. Kate tells Joe to be smart. So, importance of this scene. In this scene, we understand Chris and Anne's relationship. There is a critique on the concept of American dream. In simple words, American dream is the belief that anybody could achieve success through hard work, risk taking or sacrifices. So, it assures success based on ability and it assures opportunity to every person. But during the war, this concept of American dream is questioned and it is criticized greatly. In this scene, through the anguish of Chris, the dramatist criticizes the concept of American dream. So, for more explanation, reference link has been given. Reference link has been given in the study material as well to follow. So, we also understand the intimation of future tragedy for the Kellars, as the arrival of George indicates the possible revelation of the truth, which may result in the tragedy, which may result a tragedy for the Kellars family. Thank you.